You are welcome to RankingiT Home, and don't forget to contact him for all premium software and your device unlocking. You can call or WhatsApp him on +2335 5759 5824 or +2332 6343 1393. RankingiT, we solve your problem within a second and also give you affordable price. Thank you.
You are welcome to RankingiT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. A lot of people have been watching my videos, which helps them to do whatever they want to do, but they don't like, they don't subscribe. But anytime they need help, then they come into my DM and be begging for the software. Please, if you want me to go far or be doing more videos, please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. Yes, so that that will impress me when I'm doing the videos. I can be doing more stuff for you people to learn from RankingiT. So please like my channel and comment. You're welcome to RankingiT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. I'm coming to show you how you can install your Acrorip 10.11, which is called Acrorip. This one is 10.11. Please do not let anybody scam you, because the version 11 keygen is not out. Nobody has that. So if anybody informs you that he has it, it's a lie. Nobody has it. If you want it, you have to purchase it with keygen before you can operate the dongle, before you can operate it with your is a zero roll software. So as we are not going to waste much time, here is the setup for the Acrorip 10.7. So we are coming to install it. Okay, I have it in the zip file, so I'll install it right away from the zip file without extracting it. Okay, so here is the collection information. We just hit on next, then hit on next. So here, username, you just put in your name, the username that you have. So this one is, let me say, RankingiT, yeah. And the organization should be maybe, let me say, Ranking Business. Okay. I have already copied the serial number. Here is the serial number. So I'll just upload it here. Then hit on next for the installation process to start. So hit on install. So as you can see, it's reading right here. It's reading. Okay, I think it's done. We click on finish. Now if you are trying to open the setup, this is what you are going to see. Yeah, it's going to say launches the software. Yeah, if you have this, meaning you have to launch the software for it to operate well. So let me open the keygen. I'll open that one too from the zip file. Yeah. Okay, so we will copy this ID, then you paste it right here, then give the software a name, which is, let me put in let's leave this shit right here somewhere. So IT, then generate. So we click on enter. You enter it, then you copy this, so you paste it here. Then the name that you type here, you can launch this for any minute. So this is the name that I typed. Let me copy it, and I'll paste that one to here. Then I'll hit on register. Click on it once. You see, thank for registration. Then click on OK. Now the program has fully started to run. So here is it. Let me show you the about. As you can see, this one is copyright, which is 2021, Acrorip.com, and all right, revealed. So here is it. Here is the version 10.7. Yeah, version 10.7, and that is the launches. And here is when you drop the software. So it works like the way the 10.5.2 works. Yep. all works the same. It has the same features that the other one has. So if you want to add it to the serial, because of I have already installed the serial, so I can't put it right there. So these are the softwares that the printers that this software can operate with. So if you need the program, please contact RankingiT, then we will talk business right away from there. So thank you, and please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.